Yeah, right. Okay, we want to check in real quick with Amanda. What are you up to this morning?
Good morning. I'm at Ching Rescue and Farm Sanctuary here in Harriman, and I am like a kid in a candy store. The air is fresh. We saw deer on the way out here. You can see that sunrise in the background. It is just gorgeous. I feel spoiled. So we're here with Verl and Faith, and they actually run this farm, and it's donation-based. They rescue animals, right?
Animals. Yeah, we're the only farm animal rescue in Utah.
So farm animals, you think like a lot of them will just get shipped off to slaughter.
Exactly. A lot of them are abused and just treated as commodities and thrown in the garbage when people are done with using them, and so we rescue them.
So you turn a sad story into a happy ending, and there are a ton of happy animals here. You were telling me about 2 goats that you just recently rescued for Cinco de Mayo.
Yep, 2 little baby goats, and they're getting raised up and being happy can be.
We have to meet them in just a little bit. Plenty of animals, plenty of fun stuff to do. I might get dirty, cleaning stalls or whatever, but I guess we'll just have to see, won't we?
Okay. I'm excited about this because Mike Ching, who started this, was one of our neighbors we grew up with. Had 6 kids. All their kids were the ages of us.
And hard workers like
And
that.
I cannot wait to see this. Yeah, that is awesome.
Amanda,
So
thanks.
you like it out here in the sticks, huh?
That too.
All right, we'll see you in a little bit.
Amanda.
Thanks.
We still have more to come on 2 News.